because night shift workers, hard jobs as well, right? Professors are paid less, and I would say, right? Than the lawyers and doctors. Why? Because it's easy job, fun oriented, safe. Then the doctors. A new patient is coming having some kind of bleeding, leg broken, surgeries, heart surgeries, a lot of blood and all those stuff. Very, it's like that. So in doctors, the risk level is higher, right? The professors, it's a very easy job. So that's why we are paid less. So we can explain, any law suggests that the professors should be paid less? No. It all depends on compensating differentials. Number 2 is human capital. That's very nice theory. So this theory, which, or the determinant, it says that the more you get the education, you get the more salary. Simple. They say that more if both jobs are easy, fun oriented, and safe, and even then you see the differential. One worker is paid higher and the other worker is paid less. Then you can say that compensating differential, no longer applies over there. Then we can say that there is a human capital. So human capital is the accumulation of investments in people, such as education and on-job training. So the most important type of human capital is education. So education represents an expenditure of resources at one point in time to raise productivity in future, right? So we have the research, and I just copy from your book, that is, by the year 2003, a man with a college degree earned more than 82% without the one. So women showed a 70% increase in earnings due to an college degree, right? So if both jobs are safe, fun oriented, easy, and everybody wants to do that, but even then you see that there is a difference in earning due to human capital. Like one has college degree, other don't have. So here we go. It's a research which comprises data from 1980s to 2003. And you can see that men who have a high school diploma or degree, they are earning 38,713. And in 2003, their earning actually small decreased. Right? Well, look at here, college graduates. See? They were earning in 80s 55,000 and now they are earning close to 70,000. So you can see the increase here. It means education not only was paying in history in 1980s, also paying in 2003 as well. You can see the percentage has increased. So that's why your mom and dad, they were still saying that, okay, go get a college degree first and then find your ambitions or your hobbies or all those stuff. Why? Because they have faced this. Look at the huge, like double, right? Women as well. In 80s, they were earning 23,000 and now on average, till 2003, 27,000, which is like 28,000 approximately. With college degrees, 31,000. The increase was in 1980s 35%, and now increase is 71%, doubled, right? So basically, the human capital says that if you have a degree, more education means higher salary. If your education is okay, both worker A and worker B both get college degree and all those stuff, and even then you see the earning differential. A is getting higher salary than B. Then the third point is maybe ability, effort, chance. And what are these? So ability, which means natural ability, is important for workers in all occupations. Some people are strong, smart, while others are weak, less intelligent. So that's why we have a competition in our class. If you get 80% or 90%, A plus, A negative, B plus, B negative. Why there, and some companies also advertise that for this job, at least you must have A grade in the degree, college degree as well, right? Because they want to hire intelligent person, smart person for that job. Many personal characteristics are also included. For example, in banking, in high stress job environment, men are preferred. Why? Because they have strong muscles, they have strong nerves. So that's why in army and most of the armies, like physical combat, they need male, not female. Females are needed, for like driver seat, like tank drivers, uh, like those who drive helicopters, these kind of pilots, right? Engineers, right? But not the physical combat, because that needs acquired, strength, and that strength have a natural ability. There are some women who are very strong, but I'm talking about the journal stuff, right? Generally, the physique and the strength of a male is higher than female. So that's why here personal characteristics determine how productive workers are, therefore play a role in determining the wages they earn. Closely related ability is the effort, hard work versus laziness. And if you talk about the effort, so generally, if everything is same between these two workers, and if A is getting higher salary, then maybe the contribution is effort. He's putting his 100%. The B is lazy. He just worked 9 to 5. There's a marketing department over there. Let me just wait a second. What happened here? Why I cannot decrease the size here? Okay. Right? So maybe A is putting his 100%. He's working overtime. And for example, B is working, just come to the office 9 to 5 and goes. But A is working 9 to 6 and also working for advertising and working on commissions as well to increase his salary. Right? The other thing is chance. What if you got admission in Oxford or Harvard University, right? So chances also play a role. Chances to get admission in well-renowned institutions. So can you say that the graduates from China, not China, the graduates from CIP will earn higher degree than graduates of Harvard? chances are a little less. Why? Because CIP has a history, but not more than 12 years or 15 years whatsoever. But Howard has a history for more than 100 years, right? And it can play an important role because Howard graduates, they are coming from, for like 100 years and they are spread all over the world. Plus, there's marketing strategy and all the stuff prove that Harvard graduates must be paying higher salary. So it will take time for CIP as well. As long as the years, increase for 20 years, 30 years, all the graduates over there just spread across the world. They show their performance, and everybody then, the employers, they know that if I hire from CIP, then chances are that that employee is smart, strong, and intelligent, and it will increase my profit. So I would be giving him higher salary, right? So what we have learned, if the salaries of A is more than the B, number one, it's compensating differential. Maybe A is doing more dangerous jobs. The work environment is not good. So that's why A is getting higher salary. And then we talk about that if both salaries, both are doing the same job, but, or for example, both are working for the bank, but A is getting higher salary. And we can say that due to human capital, education. A got MBA degree, B got just bachelor degree. And then we talk about that if education is the same between A and B, even then A is getting higher salary. Then we can say that maybe ability, he meets his target,